Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today in this video, I am going to discuss the fun facts about the recent year, that is the current year 2025. There is some special facts is there in the year 2025. So in this video, I am going to discuss one by one. So first special facts of 2025 is that 2025 is the perfect square of 45. So that means 2025 is the year which is perfect square of 45. If we 45 multiply with 45, we'll get 2025. This is the first fact. Second fact is that if we split up into two parts, that is 20 plus 25, and after that if we find out the square, you will get 2025. This is the second fact of the year 2025. Then the third fact is going to be, if we add all the natural number 1, 2, 3 plus up to 9, and then if we find out its square, then also you will get 2025. Then the last fact about the year 2025, if we find the sum of the cube of all natural number up to 9, then also you will get 2025. These are all about the fun facts about the year 2025. I hope you like it. Thank you for watching.